PC builders are ditching traditional cases for server racks. These industrial metal frames hold multiple systems in one unit. Think of it like upgrading from a toolbox to a workshop. Server racks offer superior airflow for front-to-back cooling. Cable management becomes effortless with built-in routing systems. You can mount multiple computers, switches, and storage arrays vertically. The modular design lets you swap components without rebuilding everything. Professional data centers have used this approach for decades. Now enthusiasts are bringing server rack efficiency to home setups. The standardized mounting system accepts any rack-compatible hardware. Gaming rigs get enterprise-level organization and cooling performance. Follow for more tech explained fast.